this new video. Now we are looking in the scopes. What are the scope? What is scope? Scope means something called like access. Yeah. So basically, in the previous video, we have seen this global one. Yeah. We can't access directly Pi here without passing or without doing this global thing. Yeah. Basically, the in the this is we are writing not object oriented, this is we are writing only the procedural programming language, programming oriented. So this is like not having class or public private thing, but scope in PHP exists in also procedural programming. So what is scopes? Scopes are like here in this block you don't have Pi by default. Yeah, this block don't know what is Pi without passing global. Yeah, that's called scope. So for current that's it, and then you will learn in the intermediate like what is the private, public, final, all things. Yeah, so this is for currently, so you don't get confused. Yeah, thank you.